Hey guys, April here with a little quick tutorial. I just want to show you guys how to apply lashes close up. So I've got my mannequin here. I've isolated and I'm placing the lash, which I wanted to show you because I actually didn't like this application. You shouldn't swipe. The only reason I swiped is because I had too much glue and it's a bad habit. So I've corrected it by using the tip of my tweezers, which is also a bad habit. So just to show you the do's and don'ts. Don't swipe up the lash. It's too much glue and it'll make it really hard for you to remove. And you can see here I've got glue on my tweezers, so I'm going to use my nails to get that off so it doesn't affect my pick-up technique. Okay, again, so I have my one bead of glue on my lash. I'm pushing my lashes to the side to isolate. I'm resting my fingers on the head and I'm coming above and crossing over to the left of the natural lash. Correcting the angle, brushing up from the bottom to make sure that the base is secure. Again, I'm isolating, making sure my isolation is nice and wide so I can get in the middle of my tweezers. Balancing on my mannequin head, fixing the angle of my lash, which is kind of hard with the camera in the way, placing to the right side of the natural lash, correcting my angle, and that's it.